everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning to CoComelon YouTube video states and thumbnail. We need to analyze for this data set. This CoComelon nursery rhythm. We are using this data set from Kaggle notebook. Here is 247 unique values, rows is there, 25 column is there. So we use this data set and we use the Kaggle notebook. So what we need to do here, click here is a new notebook. So Kaggle notebook give a Python notebook. So we don't want to set up for our computer for Jupyter notebook. So we can use here is easy. When you click the new notebook, you get this notebook page. So here is your data set automatically upload here, so we can use here. So here is we use for Pandas library. First step, what we need to do, import the library. Second one, we need to understand the data set. What is data set have it, how many row, how many column, what column data type, what data type, what is the description means. We need to know each column, each field, what is a standard deviation, what is a maximum, minimum, like that. And data set preparation, this is the main important part. This here is what we need to do. We need to drop the relevant columns or rows. So we make a subset of data set and identify duplication, check the null value, rename the column, so we need to clean the data set here. And other one is understand the data set. Okay, which this is our steps. So first, what we need to do here, we need to import the library. Import the library means, before that, first we need to load the data set. So we already load the data set. Okay, here is our data set is here. So first we need to import the library. Import Pandas. Which library we need to use? I already said Pandas as a PD. And other one, import numpy as np. And other one is import matplotlib library. Okay, lib dot python lab as plot. When we using plot, we can use this one. And we need to use import what is that? Cbol. This is a plotting library to Cbol as SNS. Okay. And plot, we can use here plot style sheet. Use which style sheet? GGP LOT. This and what else? PD dot set option. Plot style use. So but we already load all libraries, so we can run this command. So shift enter. This one look like same like a Jupyter notebook. Here this is a cells. This all of them is when you need one cell, you can click here. If you want a markdown means you can hi hello. You can put the like a note or some comment like that. This one, okay. So when you don't want it, click here and delete this one. Okay. So delete shell. Okay, this is each shell we need to run individually. Okay, so we already import the library, so we don't want this. We need to delete this one. Okay, and second one, what we need to do, we need to okay, import the library. Next one, what we need to do, reading the data. So we need to read the data. So we can put df means data frame. Okay, pd pandas have some features. Read read csv means our file index. This one is cxv file. Here we can check here what's the file syntax here, .csv. so we need to read the syntax file, and that but then what we need to do, we need to we need the path for this data, where this data. So we can click this one. Here's the data, this is a path. So what we need to do, we need to copy this path and clean it. Okay, pd, sorry, pf, we need to put pd pandas. Okay, see, we already read the file and import a library. This one, this is the first step for each analyze for Python. So we need to load the libraries and then need to read the data. Okay, now we move for understand the data set. So first df, we can put df. We already put df. See, this is our data set. Okay, but df.head, we can put here numbers, or we don't want to put the numbers, what yourself your wish. Okay, 3 or 5 or 10 or 20, how many you want. This is a sample of data set. Here id, first one is id. You know that id, when we click the each video, they have an id here. This is the id. So this is our data set. So we can this is id, so we can copy and put this id here. We can see this is a video for that one. Exploratory training song, CoComelon nursery rhythm and songs. 5 years before, so 2021, I think. 21, not 21, 2019. This one. See, this is the ID. See, this is a title. This description, what they put in the description here. Here description. This is the description for there. And what else? When they are published, we can check the publish date here is all correct or not here. April 23, 2019. This one, April 23, see, 2019. Then kids and duration second. How many minutes? See, 3 minutes. 3.17 means seconds. Here is a second. Okay. Oh yeah, 3 point something there. And view count, how many in this data, all of them until 2021, now 2024. So we don't worry about view count and like count. So just we analyze and we have an idea for this YouTube channel. This is our data set. This is our data set. Okay, next one, df head. Other one, df tail. Tail means this is top of the data. This one is bottom of the data for our data set. Here is this is the bottom of the data. Other one is next one is df d type or info. What is that? Info. See, data set information. So what is the column is here, what is the data type for that one, and how many rows is there. If we are not full row, this one is there, we can check here. See, 248. So most of them we have data. We can use same for this one, df info and df type, two of them same, df type, they have d type, sorry, d types. Yeah. This is one, two of them same thing. See, d types. Okay. So each column, what is the data type? ID is object, title is object. Object means string, okay. And for most of the object, some of the integers. So here is the view count, is integer, like count, common count, all of them integer. So this is the d type. So we can, when we need a data type for some column, we can use d type. And d shape. Other one is d shape, df shape, So 248 rows and 225 columns. So in this data set, other one is df column. See, this is a list of column. What is the ID, title, description, published time, kind, status, this duration, second view count, like count, common count, thumbnail, default height, thumbnail default height. So these is the columns. When we need a column, we need to check the columns list. This is the column list, df column. Okay, we can use this one. Yes, df description. Describe. Df describe. Enter. So what happened here? This df describe take all integer columns. We can get the count, how many rows is there, and mean value, standard deviation, minimum 25%, 50%, maximum. Okay, this is one duration second. So 7,394 is the maximum of seconds. Okay, is a minimum, how many? Minimum 125, mean 2 minutes something. Okay, this is the view count and like count command. Here is the other thing. Okay, this is a describe. So this is the first step. So what we need to do, any data set we need to check, we need to know, understand that data set, what that data set have, how many row, how many column, what is the row column's name, what is the data type, types for that column, and example of. So we get a little bit idea for that data set. This is the first step.